In this video, we will learn how to set up Klarna One-Time Card. First, download the Klarna app. Install the Klarna app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Then, create an account or log in. Sign up for a new account or log in to your existing Klarna account. Generate a one-time card. In the app, navigate to One-Time Card section and enter the amount you wish to spend, including shipping and any applicable fees. Complete the purchase. At checkout at any online store, select the credit card payment option and enter your one-time card details provided by Klarna. Manage your payment plan. After the purchase, you can view your payment plan in the Klarna app, where you can pay early or adjust your connected debit or credit card as needed. Remember, note that one-time cards are only valid for a single transaction and expire after 24 hours. If you do not use the full amount, the unused portion will be refunded to your Klarna account after 2 weeks, so you can create a new one-time card for future purchases. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.